explain the origin of characteristic X-rays. It consists of definite, well-defined wavelengths superimposed on the continuous spectrum. These spectral lines generally occur in the form of small groups and are characteristic of the material of the target. Origin: characteristic X-ray spectra. Few of the fast-moving electrons having the velocity of about 1/10th of the velocity of light may penetrate the surface atoms of the target materials and knock out the tightly bound electrons even from the innermost shells like K-L shells of the atom. This is shown in the figure. When the fast-moving electrons knock off one electron from K shell and the vacancy is filled by the nearby electron from the L shell, during this transition, the energy difference is radiated in the form of X-rays of very small wavelength. This corresponds to Ka line of the series. The frequency V1 of this line is given by the relation EK/EL is equal to HV1. Suppose the electron from M shell jumps to K, it gives out K beta line and so on. If an electron jumps from M shell to the vacant state in L shell, it contributes L alpha line, and if the vacancy in L shell is filled up by an electron of N shell, it contributes L beta and so on. The frequency of radiation depends upon the target material. The X-ray spectra consists of sharp lines and is the characteristic of target material. Hence, this spectra is known as characteristic spectra.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos and educational contents.